Hey everyone and welcome back. You have transcribed your audio but now you need to export the text correctly. Let me show you how on the free plan. When using the whisperwrite.com website after transcription, look for the download or export button. You will see several format options. Plain text format gives you raw text with no timestamps or speaker labels. This is best for reading, note-taking, or pasting into documents. A SRT format creates subtitle files with time codes every few seconds. This works great for YouTube videos or adding captions to your content. VTT format is another subtitle option often used for websites and streaming platforms. Some platforms prefer VTT over SRT. Word document format lets you open the transcript in Microsoft Word or Google Docs for further editing. For the best archive, use JSON format. This preserves confidence scores per word, which developers use for custom processing. If you use the command line version, Whisper automatically creates text.sort in the same folder as your audio file. No extra steps needed. Som taat voor je innovation tab of the math that will extra screens 60 sort and a VTBST SRTS file. No extra steps neighboration tip. Pro tip. After exporting, always proofread your transcript. Whisper is very accurate, but technical terms and proper names still need checking. And that is it. Choose plain text for notes, SRT for captions, and JSON for developers. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.